Welcome back, Savings Warriors. If you haven't downloaded those apps I mentioned in Module 1, seriously, go do that right now. I'll wait. Well, you can pause it. But what we're about to dive into is going to blow your mind, and you're going to want to start earning money immediately. Here's the thing about the digital couponing revolution. It's like someone took all the best parts of traditional couponing and then supercharged them with technology. We're talking about apps that literally pay you to shop, programs that automatically find and apply coupons for you, and systems that let you stack savings in ways that would have been impossible just a few years ago. Let's start with the absolute MVP of cashback apps, Ibotta. If you only use one app for the rest of your life, make it this one. Ibotta has partnerships with over 2,000 stores, and they're constantly adding more. Here's how it works, and I want you to really understand this because it's brilliant. Before you go shopping, you open the Ibotta app and browse through their offers. Let's say you see an offer for $1 back on any brand of Greek yogurt. You tap it and add it to your list. Then you go shopping like normal, buy your Greek yogurt, and when you get home, you snap a picture of your receipt. Ibotta scans your receipt, sees that you bought the qualifying yogurt, and puts $1 in your account. Once you hit $20, you can cash it out to PayPal, Venmo, or get gift cards. But here's where it gets really exciting. Ibotta doesn't just work with grocery stores. You can earn cash back at Target, Walmart, Best Buy, Walgreens, CVS, and hundreds of other retailers. I've literally earned money back on everything from groceries to gas to online purchases, and the amounts aren't tiny. I regularly see offers for $2, $3, even $5 back on single items. Here's a pro tip that most people don't know. Ibotta works with your store loyalty cards. So if you link your Kroger card to Ibotta, you don't even need to take the receipt photos for Kroger purchases. You just shop, use your loyalty card at checkout, and the cashback appears in your account automatically. It's like magic. Now, let's talk about Checkout 51, which is Ibotta's friendly competitor. Where Checkout 51 really shines is with gas and everyday essentials. They consistently have offers on things like milk, bread, eggs, and produce, the stuff you buy every week anyway. I love that Checkout 51 includes gas stations because gas is a major expense for most people, and getting 5 or 10 cents back per gallon adds up fast. Checkout 51 also has this awesome feature where they'll give you cash back just for trying new products. They call it their any brand offers. So you might see an offer for $1 back on any brand of frozen pizza, even if you buy the cheapest store brand. That's basically getting paid to try something new. Now, Rakuten might surprise you because most people think of it as an online shopping platform, but it's actually incredible for grocery savings too. Here's what most people don't realize. Rakuten has partnerships with grocery delivery services like Instacart, and they offer cash back on grocery store gift cards. So here's a brilliant strategy. Use Rakuten to buy discounted gift cards from your favorite grocery store, earning cash back on the gift card purchase itself. Then use those gift cards in the store with your regular coupons and store loyalty programs. You're literally getting paid to buy the gift cards that you use to buy discounted groceries. It's like a discount on top of a discount on top of another discount. Flip is going to revolutionize how you plan your shopping trips. This app aggregates weekly ads from over 2,000 retailers. So instead of collecting paper flyers or visiting dozens of different websites, you can see all the sales in your area in one place. But here's the genius feature, the shopping list. You can create a shopping list in Flip, and it will automatically tell you which stores have the best prices on each item. So if you need laundry detergent, chicken breasts, shampoo, Flip will show you that the detergent is cheapest at Target, the chicken is on sale at Kroger, and Walgreens has the best deal on shampoo. Then you can plan your route to hit all 3 stores or decide if the savings are worth the extra stops. The Coupons app is like having a personal assistant whose only job is to find you deals. This app monitors over 100,000 retailers and sends you notifications when your favorite stores or brands have new offers. You can set up alerts for specific products, so if you're running low on coffee, the app will notify you the moment the coffee goes on sale in your area. But what I really love about the Coupons app is how it handles online shopping. You can browse deals by category, find promo codes for online purchases, and even get cash back on some purchases. It's basically combining the best features of several different apps into one interface. Now, let's dive into store-specific apps because this is where the real magic happens. These apps are designed by the stores themselves to keep you shopping there, which means they offer some of the most generous deals and exclusive coupons you'll find anywhere. The Target app with Target Circle is absolutely essential if you shop at Target. Target Circle offers are basically free money. you'll see offers like spend $30 on household essentials and get $10 off your next purchase, or 20% off all personal care items. These offers stack with manufacturer coupons and Target store coupons. Here's a strategy I use all the time. I check Target Circle offers before I go shopping, add all the relevant ones to my account, and then I plan my shopping around those offers. If there's a good Circle offer on cleaning supplies, that's the week I stock up on cleaning supplies. I'm essentially letting Target tell me when to buy things at the deepest discounts. The CVS app is crucial for anyone who shops at CVS because it's where you'll find CVS digital coupons, and more importantly, it's where you'll manage your Extra Care rewards. Extra Care is CVS's loyalty program, and it's incredibly generous. You'll regularly see deals like spend $30 on Procter & Gamble products, get $10 Extra Care bucks back. Those Extra Care bucks are basically cash that you can spend on your next CVS trip. The Walgreens app works similarly with their Balance Rewards program. You can load digital coupons, track your reward points, and even get exclusive mobile-only coupons that aren't available anywhere else. If you have a Kroger in your area, their app is fantastic for digital coupon loading. Every Friday, Kroger releases new digital coupons, and you can load them all into your loyalty card with just a few taps. Then, when you shop, the coupons automatically come off at checkout. No clipping, no forgetting coupons at home. It all happens automatically. Here's something really important. These store apps often have exclusive deals that you can't get anywhere else. Target Circle offers, CVS mobile coupons, Walgreens app-only deals. This is free money that most shoppers are leaving on the table because they don't even know these apps exist. The key to maximizing these apps is to check them regularly and load offers before you need them. I spend about 10 minutes every Sunday morning going through the store apps and adding any relevant offers to my accounts. Then, throughout the week, when I need something, I already have the best deals loaded and ready to go. All right, now that you're armed with the essential apps, let's talk about where to find even more digital gold. The internet is absolutely overflowing with coupons and deals, but you need to know where to look and how to find the best ones efficiently. Let's start with manufacturer websites because this is a treasure trove that most people completely ignore. Every major brand has a website, and almost every brand offers exclusive coupons to people who sign up for their newsletters or create accounts on their sites. Here's what I want you to do right now. Make a list of the brands you buy regularly. Your shampoo brand, your favorite cereal, your laundry detergent, your pet food, whatever you buy consistently. Then visit each of those brand websites and sign up for their newsletters. I guarantee you'll start receiving exclusive coupons within a week. Procter & Gamble, for example, has a program called P&G Good Every Day, where you can print coupons for Tide, Pampers, Gillette, and dozens of other P&G products. Unilever has a similar program for their brands like Dove, Hellmann's, and Ben & Jerry's. These aren't the same coupons you'll find in the Sunday paper. These are often higher value and have longer expiration dates. Here's a pro tip. Many manufacturer websites have hidden coupon pages that don't show up in search results. Try adding /coupons or /offers or /savings to the end of a brand's website URL. You might be amazed at how often this works. Coupon aggregator websites are your next stop, and coupons.com is the biggest and most reliable. This site has partnerships with hundreds of manufacturers, so you'll find legitimate, high-value coupons that you can print at home or load to your store loyalty cards. RetailMeNot is another huge player, especially for online shopping codes. But here's something that most people don't know about these sites. They update their offers throughout the month, not just on Sundays like newspaper inserts. So if you don't see a coupon for something you need today, check back in a week. There might be a new offer available. Social media is becoming a gold mine for coupon hunters, especially Facebook and Instagram. Follow your favorite brands and stores on social media because they regularly post exclusive offers just for their followers. I've seen Target post special promo codes on their Instagram stories, or Walmart share exclusive app download offers on their Facebook page. Here's a strategy that works incredibly well. Join Facebook groups dedicated to deals and coupons in your area. Search for Your City Deals or Your State Couponing. You'll find groups where people share local deals, store clearances, and money-making opportunities. These groups are like having a team of deal hunters working for you 24/7. Email newsletters are absolutely crucial, but here's the key. You need to be strategic about them. Remember that dedicated email address that I told you to create? Use it to sign up for newsletters from every store and brand you shop regularly. But don't just sign up randomly. Sign up when you're actually shopping for something from that brand. Here's why this matters. Many companies send you a welcome coupon when you first sign up for the newsletter. So if you're planning to buy Nike shoes anyway, sign up for Nike's newsletter right before you make your purchase, and you'll often get 10 or 15% off. You can use that coupon right away. Store websites are treasure troves of digital coupons that most people never explore. Go to your favorite store's websites and look for sections labeled deals, coupons, weekly ad, or digital offers. Most major retailers have hundreds of digital coupons available at any given time. Target's website, for example, has a whole section of digital coupons that you can add to your Target Circle account. CVS has mobile-only coupons on their website that aren't available in their app. Kroger refreshes their digital coupons every Friday with new offers. Browser extensions are game changers for online shopping, and I want you to install these immediately. Honey, Capital One Shopping, and Rakuten. These extensions automatically search for and apply coupon codes when you're shopping online. You literally don't have to do anything. They work in the background and can save you money on every online purchase. Here's something really cool. These extensions also price compare across different websites, so you know you're getting the best deal available. I can't tell you how many times Honey has saved me 20% or more on online purchases by automatically applying codes I would never have found otherwise. Now, let's talk about timing, because when you look for digital coupons matters almost as much as where you look. Most stores refresh their digital offers on specific days of the week. Target Circle offers typical updates on Sundays. CVS releases new digital coupons on Sundays as well. Kroger does theirs on Fridays. Mark these days on your calendar and make a habit to check for new offers. It literally takes 5 minutes to scroll through and add relevant coupons to your accounts. But those 5 minutes, they could save you dozens of dollars on your next shopping trip. Here's an advanced strategy. Many digital coupons have print limits, meaning you can only print a certain number of copies. But these limits often reset monthly, so if you find a really good coupon, but you've already hit the print limit, make a note to check back at the beginning of next month. The key to mastering digital coupon sources is to make it systematic rather than random. Spend 15 to 20 minutes once a week doing a coupon sweep where you check all your go-to sources, add relevant offers to your accounts, and plan your shopping around the best deals that you find. Now we're getting to the really fun stuff. Stacking multiple rebate apps to maximize your earning. This is where you can turn a single shopping trip into a serious money-making opportunity, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The fundamental principle here is that different apps often have different offers on the same products, and you can use multiple apps on the same receipt. So you might get $1 back from Ibotta, 50 cents back from Checkout 51, and earn points in your store's loyalty program, all for buying the same item. That's triple dipping, and it's completely legitimate and encouraged. Let me walk you through a real example from my own shopping. Last week, I bought a package of Tide Pods that cost $12.99. I had a $3 manufacturer coupon bringing down the price to $9.99. But that's just the beginning. I also had an Ibotta offer for $1 back, a Checkout 51 offer for 75 cents back, and a Target Circle offer for $2 off when you buy 2 household items. Plus, I paid with my Target Red Card for an additional 5% off. So let's do the math. $12.99 minus $3 coupon, minus $2 Target Circle offer, minus 5% Red Card discount equals about $7.50 out of pocket. Then I earned $1.75 back from the rebate apps. My total cost was less than $6 for a $13 product. That's more than 50% savings on a single item. The key to this strategy is preparation. Before you go shopping, check all your rebate apps for offers on the items that you actually need. Make a list of products that have multiple offers available and prioritize buying those items when you can stack the most savings. Here's something really important about rebate apps that most people don't understand. You don't have to buy name brand products to earn rebates. Many offers are for any brand of the product category. So you might see an Ibotta offer for $1 back on any brand of pasta sauce. You can buy the cheapest store brand sauce for 89 cents and still get $1 back from Ibotta. That's a moneymaker. You're literally getting paid to take that product home. Gift card strategies are where things get really interesting. Many rebate apps offer cash back on gift card purchases, and you can use those gift cards to buy already discounted items. Rakuten, for example, often offers 2 to 4% cash back when you buy gift cards for major retailers. Here's a strategy I use all the time. I buy discounted cards through apps like Raise or Gift Card Granny, which sell gift cards for less than the face value. Then I use Rakuten to buy additional gift cards, earning cash back on the purchase. Then I use those gift cards in store with coupons and store sales. It's like getting a discount on your discount on your discount. Understanding point systems versus cashback is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Some apps like Drop give you points that you can redeem for gift cards, while others like Ibotta give you actual cash. Generally, cashback is more valuable because it's more flexible. But points programs sometimes offer better redemption rates for specific retailers. Here's a pro tip. Many points-based programs have bonus redemption offers, where your points are worth more during certain periods. Drop, for example, sometimes offers 20% bonus value when you redeem points for certain gift cards. If you're not in a hurry to cash out, waiting for these bonus periods can significantly increase your earnings. Timing your purchases for maximum rebate bonuses is an advanced technique that can really boost your savings. Most apps offer special bonuses during certain times of the year. Ibotta, for example, often runs bonus month promotions where you can earn extra cash back for completing certain challenges, like using the app 5 times in a month or trying 3 new brands. Checkout 51 frequently runs promotions where they'll give you bonus cash for submitting a certain number of receipts, and store-specific apps often have seasonal bonuses tied to the holidays or the back-to-school periods. Here's something most people miss: referral bonuses. Almost every rebate app gives you money for referring friends and family. Ibotta gives you $5 for every person you refer who redeems their first offer. Checkout 51 gives you $3. If you have friends who would benefit from these apps anyway, you might as well both earn some bonus cash. The key to maximizing rebate apps is to think of them as part of your overall saving strategy, not as standalone tools. They work best when combined with coupons, store sales, and loyalty programs. A good rebate app can turn a decent deal into an amazing deal, or sometimes even into a moneymaker. Now, one final tip. Always read the terms and conditions for rebate offers. Some require you to buy specific sizes, some exclude items on sale, and some have limits on how many times you can earn the rebate. Understanding these restrictions will help you avoid disappointment and maximize your earnings. Remember, the goal isn't to change what you buy, it's to earn money back on the things you're buying anyway. Start with the products you purchase regularly. Look for apps that offer rebates on those items, and gradually expand your strategy as you get more comfortable with the process. Next up, we're diving into the world of print and physical coupons, where the traditional art of couponing meets modern strategy. You're going to learn how to find incredible deals that most people never knew existed.